Time. I keep saying they are called, as you can see the topic, the Yoruba, the cursed tribe of Nigeria. These guys are cursed, honestly. Nothing good can come out of Yoruba land. So what are you looking for in a Yoruba church? Someone that is cursed, what are you looking for in their churches? And most of the population of these churches are the Igbo people. So it's high time you need to boycott all the Yoruba churches. They should take it to Yoruba land, the Badon and Oyo and Skull Mining Republic. It's high time they take these churches to their land. You can't keep coming to our land with, with all those kind of bastard stuff. Bring your useless mushroom churches, take our money and go back to Yoruba land. Tomorrow you bring out your mouth to be insulted.
It is very bad, my sister.
Yeah, which is very bad. So I think this is kind of we're gonna create a kind of flyer, okay? The flyer will be like boycott all Yoruba churches. We're gonna list out the names of the churches, the Yoruba churches, from A to Z. If you know the Yoruba church, we're gonna list it out. Operation boycott all Yoruba churches. Okay? So and you want to say something, you can go ahead, please.
I think it's better we talk less and act more. So what I mean is, maybe by Monday, I will send also send those ones back, close their shops, close their churches. That's what we should do. We should be doing. Not be church. Me, I want to do church again. Action. Make up. Kai action. Kai nyenda film. Kai watch it. I work too much. Kai do action, my sisters and my brothers. I is very quiet like this. Kai take action. See from Imo State, he said there's somebody or gaje for the igwe of igwe of here. Agwa hoku. One the elders hoku. Why here many? Because our people don't know. May they carry their church go back to southwest. May they carry their shops go back to southwest. I get in action. I get in more effort. Kanda moga na name because everything I know na TikTok. Kanda le brune bujere de behind take action. What about I want? I get bidon kanye. Biko okwa yem sika nko.
Yeah, I want to say something very important. I like what you guys are saying right now because it is so important, very, very important that these guys come to the East, like the Igbos go to Lagos, they do business, they pay their tithe, they pay their tax, and contribute to the development of anywhere they are in the Southwest. But these criminals, coal mining idiots, we go to the East, open scamming houses called church because Redeem is a scamming house. What is the other one's name? These houses are scam house where they scam people and take their hard-earned money, and they will not use that money to contribute to anything in those environments. They don't build businesses. They don't pay tax. They don't contribute anything. They don't build anything. They will take that money in bulk back to their useless areas, like their brown roof Ibadan and their bush forest Ogun State, and they will use this money to enrich their confusion in families. I think we need to preach more, we need to start talking to our people to boycott these useless scamming houses where these criminals like Adeboye and so many of them, like one of them that recently in Lagos bring out a gun to shoot an innocent person because the person looked inside his car. So these are the kind of people that we are looking at who are walking around the country creating confusion, stealing our hard-earned money for no reason. How can you be building a business like church? If you go to like Onisha right now and see the kind of redeemed church that is there with the current multitude of people that this church produce. At the end of the day, they are not doing anything in those streets. They are not contributing anything. They are not paying taxes. In the name of a sure, they will register these things as a free thing where they will collect money without return. So I think people should boycott these churches because these churches are not contributing anything to contributing anything in our environment. Sometimes you hear some of them cry, oh, hey, you got that back at the. My brother would say it now, say it again. Lagos is no man's land. Lagos is not your land. Most of you are criminals. You're trying to claim Lagos because everybody came together and developed Lagos. And that's why you want to shook your head in Lagos and pie inside Lagoon in Lagos because you're foolish and you're unproductive and they can't do anything. Why not forget about Lagos and develop Ibadan? Look at Ibadan. Look, if you see the view of Ibadan, you look like the place that are training fowl and the rat and cockroaches. So when we were talking about this, it's very serious. We can't keep allowing this guy to come to our vicinities and build these rubbishes and build these criminal enterprises and take the money and go back to their region and use it for themselves and use it to enrich themselves and pack